Day 51. Yesterday you finished the indicators and data shaping block. Today you're going to start something new. And it will change how your algorithm thinks about time. So far, your algorithm has reacted to data as it arrives. Every new bar triggers your logic. But what if you don't want to act on every bar? What if you want your algorithm to run a specific piece of logic once a day, or once a week at a specific moment? That's what scheduling is for, and it starts here. So, what is Schedule.Add? Schedule.Add is a method in QuantConnect that registers a scheduled event. It tells your algorithm to run a specific function at a specific time, instead of on every data bar. Here's a simple analogy to explain it better. On the left we have the alarm, on the right Schedule.Add. Imagine setting an alarm on your phone. You don't stay awake watching the clock. You set the time once and the phone wakes you at exactly the right moment. The alarm here says, register the event once and let the system handle the timing. Schedule.Add works exactly the same way. You call it once during setup, which in this case is, you tell your algorithm when to fire and what function to run, and QuantConnect handles the rest. No manual clock watching inside your on-data loop. With that, we wrap up the simple introduction of the concept of Schedule.Add in QuantConnect. Here's a quick knowledge check. Schedule.Add causes a function to run on every single price bar that arrives, true or false. And the correct answer is false. Schedule.Add fires at a specific time you define, not on every bar. That's exactly the point. It gives your algorithm time-based control, separate from the data feed.